Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you see me? You
Yeah.
can?
Yeah.
You can. You can.
Yeah,
really?
yeah. Really? What the heck's going on?
I know. Believe me, I know this is weird. But listen to me. I come from another dimension. This is another dimension here, and I need your help bad. Really bad.
What are you talking about? What's going on?
I've discovered how to make contact with your world, and you've got to help us. You've got to help us. Or at least help me, please.
Why? What's it like over there?
It's like hell here. It really is.
What?
All the really bad TV shows are
Yeah.
real here. I'm serious.
What? Serious?
I'm serious. They're real.
I can't believe that. What are you talking about? I mean, TV's real for a lot of people, like the Home Shopping Network or soap operas.
All the TV shows you've ever watched,
Yeah?
they're real here.
What do you
And
mean?
they live here. Like Laverne and Shirley live next door.
Live next door.
And MacGyver is my maintenance guy. He fixed my refrigerator last week with a paperclip and a Band-Aid.
Well, what's wrong with having a movie star fix your refrigerator?
Well, believe me, he's not very nice.
Come on, it can't be that bad.
This place is like hell, I'm telling you. I mean, all we have to eat is TV dinners. Isn't that bad if you like Salisbury steak. But, geez, and the scripts here are awful. Look at this. This thing stinks.
This really is bad.
The other day, my next door neighbor, Mork, was making all of this noise, and my landlord, Mr. Roper, didn't do anything about it. And in this world, Barney, the dinosaur, is real. Only he's a carnivore, so he eats children. And he uses all the dental floss, too.
Well, how did you get there?
Well, remember that movie you were in? That stupid movie you were in? You're an extra? They played on HBO, and now you're here. Well, now I'm here.
How can I help?
In our world, we don't have remote controls. So if you give me your remote control, I can turn off all the stupid, boring people and turn on exciting people, fun people, interesting people, like Homer Simpson and Jerry Seinfeld. Please give me your remote control! Thank you. Now I've got the power. I've got the power. The power. Yes.
Hey, Doug. What you doing?
Mike! Help!
What did you do? What did you do?
I gave him the remote control!
I've got the power. I'll get both of you.
No.
No. Stop. No. Don't do it. No.
This was a stupid script.